Good morning, children. Yesterday I explained you Unit 2 of the lesson A Great Leader. Unit 2 I explained you why Gandhiji decided to wear the bare minimum clothes, that is dhoti. Now I will explain you page 17, the third unit. I will read paragraph wise and I'll explain you the meaning of the paragraph. As I read the paragraph, point out the word which I read and listen to me carefully. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over India. My dear students, after giving lecture to Odisha, he also had to attend a very important conference. Conference means a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. And this conference was held in England. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. Participants means participant is a person who takes part in a particular activity. A reception means a formal social occasion held to welcome someone or to celebrate an event. Now, people received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. Of course, my dear students, when we have to attend a function, we just do not go with our home dresses. We dress up with colorful dresses, right? We go neat and clean. So, the dress of Mahatma Gandhi ji was a dhoti. Understood? And he, to represent India, he had gone with this dress. At that time, England ruled India. Second paragraph. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Now, people in England saw Gandhiji with dhoti and a simple shawl. So they wanted to know. They went and asked Gandhiji, would you like to change the style of your dressing because we are going to meet the king? But Gandhiji made it very clear. He said, no. I am representing my country, my people, and I will not change the style of my dress. Then he said, I won't bother by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Bothered means worried. He said, there are so many poor people in my country who do not have enough clothes to wear. So I am not going to change the style of my dress. Next paragraph. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed in a simple loin cloth and a shawl. Then finally the king had to welcome him, okay, in that loin cloth and a shawl. Next paragraph. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Then the king saw Gandhiji with that dress, and Gandhiji saw that the king had dressed up extravagantly. Extravagantly means in a way that costs a lot of money. Then king sent to ask Gandhiji whether he would like or whether he would had enough clothes to wear. He said what the king had owned, that were enough for both of them. Understood, my dear students? He said what the king himself was dressed was enough for both of them. Understood? Next paragraph. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. So, millions of people came to know that Gandhiji had gone to England to attend the meeting with the simple dress, and people were very, very happy. Understood? And they liked Gandhiji very much. Next paragraph. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. Now, Mahatma Gandhiji did not use any destructive weapons. Destructive weapons means causing damage. He used to speak politely to the people. He expressed his thoughts politely to the people. And people always liked the way he talked to them. And because of that, he had millions of staunch followers. People started to follow him. They started to like him. They used to listen to his lectures. They used to obey him. They used to listen to him. And they used to tell Gandhiji that they are with him to get independence to our country. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. Suppressed means people who have been prevented developing and growing freely. Suppressed means people who have been prevented developing and growing freely. He told the people that we must follow the path of Satyagraha. Satyagraha means speaking the truth. Speaking the truth. We will win our India. That was told by Gandhiji to the people. My dear students, he is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. You see, till today we are learning his life story. Why? To develop our knowledge, to be like him, to follow his footpaths. This is what Gandhiji's lesson has taught us today. Understood? My dear students, this is enough for today. I will give you meanings as homework. These meanings you write in your notebook one time. Homework will be sent to you in your school homework app. Please copy down it one time with a neat handwriting. Thank you.